Place whole sweet potatoes on a foil-lined baking sheet and bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour. In a small saucepan, add butter, heavy cream, pure vanilla extract, bring to a simmer, and stir until the butter has melted. Place the sweet potatoes in a food processor or blender. Puree for 1 minute, or until the sweet potatoes are fairly smooth. Add the cream mixture with the food processor or blender on low speed and puree for 1 to 2 minutes. In a medium-sized bowl, combine pecans, crispy rice cereal, cinnamon, freshly grated nutmeg, brown sugar, melted butter, and a pinch of salt. Blend well. Scoop the sweet potato filling into a 9-inch baking dish and spread evenly. Spoon the pecan topping over the sweet potatoes. Place the baking dish on a baking sheet. Bake the casserole at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. Arrange marshmallows on top of the casserole. Place the sweet potato casserole back in the oven and bake for 5 to 7 minutes. This sweet potato casserole is best served right out of the oven.